August update.
This is my Mamie fruit. When I tell you she is perfection, she looks so pretty, she looks so shiny. She is doing so well. I am so proud of her. She isn't even a year old yet. And look at her, she's all tall. So impressive. Sometimes I get a little greedy and I have a hard time saying no to a plant. I can't remember whether I went to Home Depot or Lowe's, but they were like, we're giving out pine. So I took a free pine. I don't even like pine trees. Like, no disrespect, baby, I like you, but I don't even like pine trees like that. I used to have a house that had so many pine needles, and it made the ground, the soil all acidic and stuff, and it dumped all those pine needles everywhere, and it used to get on my nerves. But me and this one right here are working together, and look, I already need a new pot. Hasn't been a year yet, so we're doing good. We're going to make it work. This is my curry tree. I haven't sniffed it yet or anything. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I don't even know how to create curry. I'm just assuming that maybe the leaves dry and I put them in a what's it called? Mortar and pestle, and grind them up and make the curry that way. Or maybe there's a flower. I don't know. I probably should have researched it before I start talking about it, but y'all get my point. Okay, this is my dragon fruit. She's looking real dry right now, but she's hanging in there. Dragon fruit take forever to get big. This one's about 2 years old. I think she looks fairly healthy. I probably need to get a stake and put it. Oh my God, I can't move. I got mosquitoes biting me, and I can't I can't turn this camera off and scratch and smack these mosquitoes. So I'm gonna make this fast. But yeah, I probably need to put her in another pot and stake her up and make her cuter, because she's just hanging there. But I'm still proud of her. This is my sweet baby banana. And let me tell you, I met her on the side of the road. Somebody had threw her and her mama out, and her mama was a lot bigger than she was, and she was just a little pup hanging on the side. And I pulled her off the side of the mama, because the mama looked like, you know, she was done. But only in Florida would somebody throw away a little angel like this. So this pot's already too small. I'm gonna get a bigger pot, and hopefully it'll grow really big.